Good afternoon everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department of RPMS. Today we will discuss about tuberculosis spondylitis, that is also known as port disease. It refers to the vertebral body osteomyelitis and intervertebral disorders from tuberculosis. The spine is most frequent location of musculoskeletal tuberculosis, and commonly related symptoms are back pain, kyphotic deformity of the spine, lower limb weakness and paraplegia. Lately, the disease has shown a significant increase in developed nations, particularly among the immunosuppressed population, secondary to global migration and travel. There has been an ominous increased trend in the occurrence of multi-drug resistant bacterial strain of tuberculosis in the developing nation over the past decades, a tough challenge to global community. Accordingly, the disease continued to exist as a major global public health menace to the date. Next is tuberculosis spondylitis is the one of the most common infection of spine in country where TB is prevalent. Unfortunately, the incidence of port disease, as with other forms of TB, is on rise due to new multiple drug resistant strain. Discitis and osteomyelitis comprise approximately 50% of all musculoskeletal tuberculosis and usually affect the lower thoracic and upper lumbar level of spine. World Health Organization reported an incidence of 10.4 million new cases of tuberculosis in 2016, among which 46.5% of cases were reported from the Southeast Asian region alone. India contributed to 23% of global TB burden. Etiology. The port disease can develop when air that contain the tuberculosis causing bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is inhaled into the lungs. From the lungs, an infection can spread to the spine. The spread is hematogenous, that is transmitted through the blood. Bacteria reach the spine by the hematogenous route from the lung or lymph nodes. It spreads by the paravertebral plexus of Bain Watson plexus as someone with the active TB infects the air with aerosol droplets while spitting, sneezing, coughing, speaking, etc. Each sneeze can release up to 40,000 aerosol droplets. It only takes one infected droplet to the spread a TB. Some known risk factors for the TB includes prolonged exposure to infected patients, immunodeficiencies, that is HIV, alcohol, drug abuse, overcrowding, malnutrition, poverty, and lower economic situations. So this is all about today's topic, in which we discuss about what is spine spondylitis and port disease. It is also called port disease, and the reason behind to occurrence of the port disease and where it occur mostly, and the main cause to spread the port disease. Port disease is a kind of TB of spine which may cause due to the bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, inhaled into the lungs. So this is all about today's topic. I hope you understood about this topic. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel of RPI Academics, and please hit the like button, and if you have any inquiry then put the comment below down. Thank you so much. Thanks.